Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to create the viral TikTok falling filter. So let's start it. So at first go to scene panel and choose rectangle and make it 100 by 200 and then choose material, rename the material if you want it and then select the material and change the standard mode to flat mode and make sure to switch off the advanced render option and then select camera and extract the texture extraction and down below extract the person segmentation and then select the material and in texture choose camera texture and then click on alpha and select person segmentation. You can see image is not combining together, so to combine with each other we have to tile both. So select the material and on the left hand side you will see tiling option, just make it 2. Now you can see both the image tile together. Now open the patch editor and select the loop animation and connect the node with transition and then select the falling and change the rotation to 65. See like this. Then click on arrow to connect with transition. Then change the transition end to 65 and rest 0. Now you can see the filter is ready. And yes, you can change the duration of speed as your choice. Right now I am keeping it 0.6 for now and then you can upload it and enjoy with your friends. Hope you like this tutorial and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more upcoming tutorials. And yes, happy Diwali to everyone. Stay safe and don't use crackers near dogs. See you soon. Bye.